Go on. So the video we are making cut to this morning. Hold on. Yeah. So I'm come to talk about the tornado that hit China. You see it? Them say the world's largest tornado wherever it I down in China. You see me? Right now it mash up down in China, people. Down in China, mash up bad. You see me? Yeah man, so you need to stay tuned for my channel and remember, don't just do this. You see it? You know, do this. Yeah. And just leave a comment down below. You see me? So until then, just big up on this.
Like the video guys, press like.
Hi. Oh, I looked. Oh,
At least 2 people were killed as a tornado swept through a village in Baoding City, North China's Hebei Province, destroying multiple houses, local media Hebei Daily reported on Wednesday. On July 23, 2021, Hebei Province in eastern China was hit by the largest tornado outbreak in more than 10 years. At least 10 tornadoes have been reported. At least 3 of them were powerful. Reports are still coming in and the number of reported tornadoes is on the rise. It is reported that on July 23, one of the powerful tornadoes moved directly to downtown Baoding. This happened at 1300 hours UTC. The damage caused by the elements was catastrophic. According to extreme weather naturalist Eric Wang, the whirlwind barked wood, threw cars, razed several houses to the ground and injured several people. Wang also shared the incredible footage he captured as the tornado drove right into downtown Baoding.
Like the video guys, press like.
都直接机器了。
稍等发了你。
那是对着路。
啊，那个敲。
战地记者来了，你看这车。
这里是龙海路隧道出隧道那个口，里面还有人，有好几个人淹死在里面了。看前面是出口，这里是隧道出口。
寒江孤影，江湖故人，相逢何必曾相识。
我每天都觉得这个江湖好大，大到无边。